Oh,
Okay.
hello. Testing, testing. Okay. Welcome again. It's me again, LJ. And yeah, I want to do some brief introduction. Okay, again. So I'm LJ. I'm a robotics trainer and we are from Advaspire. This Advaspire team is basically doing robotics education. And we have a base at Semenyih, is in Malaysia. Yes, Semenyih area. And on my right side is Teacher Yap. He's also a robotics trainer. So today we are going to talk about something. So let's Yap to introduce himself first before we start.
Hello guys. So actually I same with Mr. LJ, also a robotics trainer. So actually we're based in the Semanyak. So right now in this MCO period we are going to create some video content for you guys, especially in this live. So basically both of us are really like to play robotics, programming and virtual game. So if you guys also same with us, just welcome to join us. So if you guys got some special ideas, so you can share with us, so we can create the content for you guys, the creative content. So but before that, so please subscribe our YouTube channel, so we got more energy to do this video content and the live. Okay, thanks.
Okay, and today's topic is about Arduino VS Microbit. In previous video, our teacher Yap already covered about what is microbit and how convenient it is for you to learn programming online or robotics online. So I'm wondering, why are you going to introduce Arduino? Is it different from the microbit?
Okay, actually, Arduino and microbits both of them are really provide good option for you guys to learn the robotics, okay, from the beginner and become a pro. Okay, but in some term they definitely got some different advantage to making a robot. So what I'm saying, so right now I will go and share my screen to you guys and see my sharing. Alright. So okay, can you see my PowerPoint? Alright. Okay, so basically microbit is a programmable hardware and it's open source for you guys to do the digital program. So maybe for you guys already watch our previous live, I also already expand a little bit about the microbit. So then how about the Arduino? So Arduino is an open source hardware, also same with like microbit, and it also built for digital device. Then both of them are really capable to do robotic stuff. Alright, even you are a beginner. So next is okay. In this video live, I'm going to talk about difference between the Arduino and the microbit and why they can make a good robot for you guys to learn. And then we quickly show you guys how to play the Arduino and the microbit by showing some programming interface. Alright, so next is the okay. I will talk about the difference between the Arduino and microbit. Okay, so actually, what is Arduino? Okay, Arduino is designed for a single board microcontroller, and it also got a microcontroller kit for you guys build a digital device. Actually, many of university are using Arduino to do the prototyping of their project. Okay, so what is the how about the microbit? As I say, it's a programmable hardware which is designed by BBC in the UK. So if you guys have a friend or student in the UK, probably most of them know about the microbit already because their government already sponsor a lot of microbit to their student education. Then how about their difference? Okay, now I will be talking about their outlook, okay, their configuration. So firstly, I will talk about the microbit first. Okay, so microbit, you can see that for the front configuration, you can see microbit present a round chamfered outlook with small size. Okay, in the front side, there are two push button and then there's 25 LED light, and you got a USB connector for you to connect your computer and transfer the program into your microbit. So and then you got the pin for input and output figure, Then go back to the back configuration. You can see that you got a reset button. Okay, you can plug in the battery, so and then the processor, then including some sensor like the edge, the compass, and accelerator. So this small device is quite good for playing the digital meters. Alright, so this is microbit. Then we're going to talk about the Arduino. So for Arduino, it's more simple. Okay. Then, but actually Arduino got different kind of the board. So here I'm going to use official Uno board to make the comparison because Arduino Uno is quite famous to touching the programming. Okay, so Arduino has also have different characteristics if compared with the microbit. Okay, because it looks like very closing to our impression like a development board. Okay, got a lot of the pin in, pin out like this. Okay, you can see that our Arduino also got another pins, digital pins, and so on. Okay, and even got USB plug and power supply user button. Okay, but there's if compared with microbit, but microbit got some smart features like accelerometer and compass, but here Arduino don't have. But actually, you can for Arduino you can add on some extension on the board. So we call the Arduino Shield. But this is really good. But this one I will explain later. So then we talk about the capability. So when we talk about the capability, I'm going to actually both of them are really good for me to play the robotics. Okay, for this, okay, you can see my table. You can see okay, this microbit. Okay, microbit is okay, really small if compared with Arduino. Okay, actually, you see that if the Arduino actually is very small. Okay, actually my camera is not good enough because it keeps. Okay, so okay, you see my purple Arduino. Actually, this Arduino Uno board is capable with the original one. Okay, because it's open source, so I just buy this one for compatible board. Okay, but also you can use for the Arduino. Okay, so these two things also good to play the robotics. So right now, I continue. So, all right. Okay. Then I'm going to compare their software. Okay. For Microbit, actually Microbit can support multiple languages such as programming block, Python, and C++. But the most popular in the mainstream is online programming tools, which is Make developed by Microsoft. Okay. Actually, the Make is what I said is a web online. You can play it online. You don't need to download. Okay, so it's very convenient for you guys to learn the programming. Then for program the Arduino, you have to download the IDE into your computer. Okay, Arduino supports C language, but for threshold for using the Arduino programming software is much higher because in the beginning you have to learn the syntax programming already. Okay, but anyway, the software extension ability is more important. Okay, because for Arduino it has accumulated a lot of library file, so it expect for the software extension. So in terms of software extension, Arduino is much better than Microbit. Then why I'm going to introduce them? Actually, there are many robotics brands, okay, like Legos, Robotics, Ubitech. Then this brand already provide a good STEM education for the teenager. And going back to the question, why I want to introduce them in the robotics? Because when we're talking about to making a robot, how about we customize your own robot? Okay, the first reason is when you customize your own robot, you know to create a robot from zero to very pro. Okay, not like let's say you have a Lego, okay, Lego set, Lego Evo 3. like you buy a home, but actually you just assembly them and then become a robot, but you do not design. But in terms of Arduino, by using Arduino and microbit, actually you can do the mechanical design, even the programming the one, and combining together you create your own robots. So I think this Arduino and microbit can provide such flexible features for you guys to learn the program and the robots. Okay, so finally your robot will be finished. Even you are using Arduino or the microbit, both of them are provide very flexible features for you guys to do the robot. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you the make code programming. So this is for program your microbit. Alright, so we go to Google. Okay, make code. Here you just type make code.microbit.org. Then you come out with this programming interface. So and very good to let you know that make code got very good simulation results, which means that if you don't have the microbit, you can play the result simulation. Okay, so and this is the program book like a stretch programming. So maybe most of you guys know about stretch programming. So for programming your microbit also using the same method, which is scratch block, drag and drop program. Alright. So in this drag and drop program, you can see that there's a lot of function like showing the 25 LED patterns and showing the icon, can show string and so on. Okay, input to get the button A function, button B function, and accelerometer. Okay, even you can measure the temperature, can analyze sensor and so on. And you play some music. Okay, if you guys love the music. Okay, now right now I'm going to show you a simple thing is I'm going to do a program to control your servo motor. Okay. After that, I will use Arduino to do the same thing. So I'm going to show you guys to let you know that Microbit and Arduino actually can do the same program, the movement of the robot. Okay, right now I'm going to show you the robots. The servo, how to do it. So firstly, I'm going to do a quick. No, okay, I show you guys this one. Wait a moment. All right. Wait, connecting my lap my screen. Okay, right now I'm connecting again. Okay, you guys can see my table, right? So right now I'm going to program either by using microbit or either by using the Arduino to program this servo motor. Okay, firstly I will program to three position, which is the first position is the 90 degree. Then I go into 0 degree and then 180 degree. So how do we do? So first also we got we got the three option. Okay. Okay. Firstly, we're going to drag a loop function, and then we do the not loop function is logic function because we already got forever loop. Okay. Okay. When we do this one. Okay. And for this one, it be else loop. Okay. Then I'm going to drag a button. So what is the program of this one? So when I press button A, it will do a things. So what kind of thing you are going to do? I will control my servo motor. Okay. Alright. So just now I say when I press button A, it's going to go for 0 degree. Alright. So then I add on a case because right now we got three cases, right? One is 0, and then 90 degree, and then 180 degree. Okay, then we just quickly to duplicate the program. We can just duplicate just like scratch programming. Then this time we change to B button. Okay, and then we duplicate this one. Okay, we change to okay 180 degree. Then lastly, last case is 90 degree. Okay, so beside that you can add on some LED function pattern. Okay, maybe I show first number. Okay, first case is this one. Then second case is button B. Then third case is anything else. Alright. So you can see this run the simulation here. Run the simulation here, you can see it always be 3 because I did not trigger any button. So it always 3. It always be 3. Okay? When I press A, it become 1, which means it will turn the servo to 0 degree. When I press button B, it will turn the servo to 180 degree. Let us download to this to the real microbit, okay, and see how it works. Alright. Okay, that you guys can see my screen, right? Okay, my table. So actually I already downloaded our program. So I'm going to show you guys. So this one I'm using the super bit. Then you can see when in the position 3, which means that it's 90 degree. Okay, when I press button A, it will go for 0 degree. When release, it will go back to 90 degree. When I click this one, button B, it will go for 180 degree. When release again, you go for 90 degree. Yes, this simple programming, so you can program it so much more. Alright. So what else about the Arduino? So because of the time, I'm not going to show you guys the coding, but I will show you guys the video. I will create a video content for you guys to learn the Arduino coding also. Okay. Alright. So this one I already on. So actually both of them, one is using Arduino and one is using Microbit, but both of them can do the same thing. Let's say you press A button, okay, very fast, right? So when pressing the A button, you also will go to 0 degree, but when I release, it will goes to 90 degree. When I press button B, you go to 180 degree, and then release become 90 degree again. So both of them are capable to control a servo, which means that you can create you can make your robot like a car, a robotic arms, and other kinds of robots which they can design by your own. Okay, I will show you guys like this robotic arms. Okay, let's say now I put a paper over here. When I press the button, so you move, and then you throw the paper ball into the box. So this robotic arms is also can be programmed by Microbit or Arduino. So really good that actually look at uh, both of them are really nice to do like different type of robot. Even they are using different programming. Okay, right now. Okay, because I'm not going to show you guys about the Arduino because Arduino you have to download. I don't know. I'm not sure whether you guys already download the Arduino or not. But I'll already explain a little bit about the Arduino. Okay, so Arduino is something like syntax program, not like blender programming. But anyway, it's very the same because you can input some library, so you got some sample, so you can do some servo control. Let's say this is servo, you can do to control your servo, so you got some example directly show you the answer. Even he got some description for you guys to learn already. So if I in this live I'm not going to teach very detailed, but in the after that I will create some video about the Arduino. Alright. Then, alright, my sharing is about like this one. Then we go back to our webcam. Alright, my sharing is finished. Okay, teacher Ajay, so any I mean say oh so I can't hear.
Oh, sorry, I just muted already. Okay, so okay, actually, I think Arduino is more on like intermediate, or if you got some experience already, because you are more on coding side already. You need to write down all the function yourself, and you need to code it by yourself without looking at the block. But if microbit is more like block programming, and if you see my Scratch programming sharing, you see they are quite similar, and the logic is quite. I think if you get it, it's very similar to microbit. So if you are familiarized with the Scratch programming skills, then it shouldn't be a problem for you to do microbit, because a microbit is more on you need to control the thing, and if you want to add some servo motor, you just need to take care of the physical environment. But Scratch programming is just allow you to program on the screen to make your object to move. So it's very interesting, but the Arduino part is if you can show more is better lah. So you can see more. I think we can use and put it into our channel. So when you subscribe, click the subscribe button. You can follow up with our videos.
Yes, that's it. So thank you for watching our video. So yeah, see you guys next time.
Okay, see you guys.